In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a request type in Jira Service Management. First, you'll need to open your Jira instance. If you haven't already done so, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the specific Jira Service Management project where you'd like to create the new request type. This ensures that the request type is associated with the correct project right from the start. Now that you're in your selected project, look for the three dots next to your project's name. These dots are your gateway to additional options and settings. Go ahead and click on them, then select Project Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. This will lead you to the thorough settings panel for the project, where you can manage various aspects including request types. Next, find the option for Request Management. Under this category you'll see Request Types, and within that a section for Service Requests. Click through these options to reach the Service Requests area. This is where you will create and organize new request types, so it's crucial to ensure you're in the correct location. Once you're in the request type section, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on Create Request Type. This button begins the process of configuring a new request type. You'll be prompted with several options for creation methods. You can choose to create from a template, create blank, or even use AI to aid in creation. For this walkthrough, we'll be choosing the Create Blank option to show the process from scratch. With our blank template selected, it's time to provide some essential details. First, enter a clear and concise name for your request type. This is how it will be labeled and identified both by users and in the system. Following the name, you'll need to add a brief description. This description serves as an aid for customers to understand what the request type is meant for, so strive to be as clear as possible. You also have the option to choose an icon to represent your request type on the portal. While optional, selecting a representative icon can be a helpful visual cue for users navigating the service portal. Next, you should select or create the portal groups where you'd like this request form to appear. This step is crucial for organization and for ensuring the form is visible to the correct audience. Finally, determine the appropriate issue type for your request. You can choose between options such as task, service request, incident, or service request with approvals. Once all these details are in place, simply click Add to create your request. With that, you've successfully created a new request type in Jira Service Management. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful.